We are now in a construction site again. If you look very well, you will see everywhere is still under construction. This place will bring some materials to deliver in this house. Let me take you on a tour to this little house we are delivering stuff on. This is the garage, and this is the entrance of the house. So Canadians build their houses with walls. If you look very well, you can see it. This is the sitting room. And this is a bedroom, I think. This is a bedroom. And this is a wardrobe and toilets. This is just a small little house, Just we're here to deliver some